Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to factorize some examples using the difference of two squares. We are going to utilize the concept of the difference of two squares to solve certain examples, certain algebraic expressions. Okay, so we have got these examples which is saying factorize the following. We have got x squared minus 4. So we are going to factorize these examples using the concept of the difference of two squares. Very simple. So as discussed previously, we said that a difference of two squares is in the form of a squared minus b squared. So this simply means that the question which you want to solve must be in that form, a squared minus b squared. Okay, so this simply means that the first term, x squared, is already in the form of a squared. Then we have got minus b here. We have got a 4. So 4, to convert it in the form of b squared, we are going to have 2 raised to 2. So as you can see with this algebraic expression which we are having here, we have got each and every term, they are raised to power 2. Okay. Thereafter, we say that if they are in this form, then we can conclude that we are having x minus 2 and then x plus 2. Very, very simple way of factorizing using the difference of two squares. Where what I've done here is, since here we are having 2x, one x is this one, the other one it's this x. Here we have got 2x, sorry, here we have got two 2's, then 1 2 is here, the other 2 is there. Thereafter, just make sure that the sign here, they are what? Different. We have got minus and positive. So this is our answer. Let's go to B. B is 2x squared minus 18. So as you can see, it's very difficult for us to convert these two to be raised to power 2. Then what can we do? What we can do is we must identify a common factor first between 2x squared and 18. What's that common factor? The common factor is what? Is 2. So meaning that you must factorize first the common factor. So 2 into 2x squared is what? It's x squared minus 2 into 18, it's 9. Now what we are having inside, it can be converted into a difference of two square expression. So meaning that we're going to have 2x squared minus 3 squared, like this. Thereafter, we know the concept of the difference of two squares. We're going to have x minus 3, and then we're going to have x plus 3. Very, very simple expression here. Let's go to our last question. The last question we are having 9a squared minus b squared. Okay, so the first term here, we must convert it, all of it, to be raised to power 2. Okay, so we know that 9 to be raised to power 2 is the same as what? 3 squared. And then we have got a squared minus b squared. So this expression here is the same as we have got 3a, everything raised to power 2 minus b squared. So as you can see now, we have got expressions which are raised to power 2. So this, we can conclude that it's the same as 3a minus b over, 3a minus b times 3a plus b. Very, very simple way of factorizing using difference of two squares. And I hope you have enjoyed this simple concept of the difference of two squares. Thank you for watching this video.